Namaskar. SSD. The SC and ST development schools were established to educate and empower rural and tribal children, especially the girls, by providing them with a very safe environment to grow. The government claims that these institutions will prevent early marriages and teenage pregnancies. Yet, the ground reality in Odisha tells us a very different and a horrifying story. Approximately 24,355 adolescent girls were reported pregnant in Odisha during this period, highlighting quite a major concern. According to the National Family Health Survey, the NFHC, nearly 8% women aged between 15 to 19 years were either pregnant or they were already mothers. These numbers expose the deep rooted negligence in our system. How can two matriculation students give birth within 3 days in Chitrakonda in Malkangiri and Bari in Jajpur? How did a 7th class girl in Kandamal get pregnant and deliver a stillborn baby in October 2020? Why was a 6th standard girl pregnant in Kandamal in 2021? In August 2022, a student is an SSD school in Malkangiri got pregnant. These are just reported cases. How can many more be hidden? The government loudly promotes schemes like Advika and adolescents friendly health clinics, the AFHCs. But where are they when these tragedies unfold? Are these initiatives actually implemented, or are they just on paper to show that the government is doing something and there is progress? Who is responsible for this absolute failure? Is it because students and teachers' ratio in the SSD schools are too low, leaving girls without proper guidance and support? Or is it because authorities simply don't care? SSD schools are meant to be a safe place, not a breeding ground for exploitation and neglect. The reality is very, very clear. The system has broken. There is no one in power who can be held accountable. If the government truly cares about the tribal girls and the children who go to these schools, it must stop making empty promises and ensure some real protection to these girls. Give them education, give them dignity, give them the pride of being women and getting educated, coming from the tribal backgrounds. Until then, these so-called welfare initiatives remain a cruel joke. Namaskar. Jai Jagannath.